Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. We are going to be doing arithmetic sequences. So make sure that you do the discussion, do the ed puzzle. Make sure you write all the notes down. Remember, it's good for future tests. And then do the practice for today. Also, remember that tomorrow is an asynchronous day. That means you stay home and you work all of your Schoology work so that I can mark you present. Some of you have not been doing that. When it's asynchronous days, you just don't do your work, and that is not okay. You will be marked absent and you will get a 0 for Tuesday. So please make sure that even though you're staying home, that you are still doing my work. You do not have to get into the Google Meets tomorrow, but you do have to go in here in Schoology, click on Tuesday, and do that work for tomorrow. If you have any questions, please let me know today. Also, make sure that you check your grade book. Make sure that you check Skyward. I put grades in there. If you have not completed the test from last Friday, it's under week 5. So if you click on week 5 and you click Friday, October 23rd, that will take you into the test. So make sure you complete that because right now it's a 0. If you have not completed the unit 1.1, some of you are missing. If you go into the Algebra 1 calendar, you will see that we took the district test right here. Let me scroll over. See, district unit test 1.1. That was a long time ago. That was September 25th. Some of you still have not completed that test. So click in the Schoology folder. It will take you straight in there. And you can do that test. Okay? It's also in Aware. So you can go straight into Aware and click unit 1.1 and get that test done. Let me know when you are finished so that I can change your 0 into a nicer grade. Okay? So get to work, click on Monday.